Hey guys, this is Iggy back again with This Bites for You with another bite of information. Today I'm going to show you guys just how loud the Enermax Equilence is. So right now, totally quiet in this house for once, and the computer is off. I want you to listen to the ambient noise just so you can hear how it sounds. Alright, so not much noise out there. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the PC. You'll see my finger pop up here. Alright, so now we're in Windows. We're at the login screen. So I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. Alright, so now I'm at the desktop in Windows. You hear how quiet she is, right? Again, they made this case incredibly quiet, incredibly silent, with those two fans up in the front and that fan up in the back, the 140 millimeter in the back and 100 to 120 millimeters in the front. And you can tell it's on because of the Enermax logo here. You heard the post beep, and then you see the lights on inside of the case. I'm going to go ahead and take off the lid. It's actually a little bit more quiet with the lid off. No vacuum kind of sound. Put it back on. Alright, so it's pretty quiet. So you are about 3 feet away, which is mostly what usually people have their machines away, if not further. And just how quiet that is. It's pretty amazing. And let me go ahead, and right now it's at full. Bumped it down to quiet. I'm going to go from low to medium to high. This is low. Medium coming up. That's medium, only a little bit louder. Now we'll go high. And that's high. So that's how high it was when I first turned it on. It's pretty quiet right now. Still, all three incredibly quiet. CPU is running at 27 degrees, though the ambient is pretty low. I don't have, it's about 34 degrees out there. Obviously not that cold inside the house, but keeps itself relatively cool. So this is Iggy with This Bites for You, showing you just how quiet the Enermax Equilence really is. See you guys.